So whatever you do in the desktop version of ILovePDF, for example, if I were to go ahead and merge out files, let's say, for example, I'm going to go ahead and merge these two files right here, merge it out right here. Then what happens is that everything is saved under the task history. So you can actually see it like what you did in the past. I can go around over here and let's say, for example, let me also do another task right here. So I'm just going to go around and then split PDF, let's say, for example, and I'm going to go around over here this now, and then I'm going to choose the page number, split out the PDF, and then what happens is that the split PDF is there as well. So now what you can actually do is you can click on the cross button right here. If you don't want the history to be saved, you can see it like these are the history, and for privacy reason, if you want to go ahead and delete it out, you can go ahead and clear the task. Or you can click over here to open out that particular file as well, or click on the folder icon right here to access out the folder on where this is exported as well. If you want to remove it, you can click on the cross button. But let's say if you want to clear out everything in the task that you have right here, you can actually go ahead and click on clear all, and none of the tasks that you did get saved right here, thus helping you maintain privacy of the task that you did right here. So that is basically how you can work around with the task history option inside of the desktop app of ILovePDF. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.